Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best engine-driven welder generators from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Tomahawk 15 HP engine-driven portable 2000-watt generator. This machine is excellent for use in farms, construction site, or any job site that requires electrical power or welding. It is perfect for stick welding, TIG welding, or MMA welding. This permanent magnetized generator features with a high horsepower of 15 N. It generates 2000 watts of DC output. The portability feature of this machine ensures easy transport to your workplace. And the digital meter allows you to have better control over monitoring amperage for optimal performance. Some key feature is engine driven. This machine runs by a 15 HP engine which provides stable sine wave for active and steady welding. Rated output. The powerful engine of this generator produces a large amount of DC output of 2000 watts, with a rated DC output of up to 210 amps. Duty cycle and constant power. Ensuring a DC output and a rated duty cycle of 60%, Tomahawk provides continuous power for your welding. And this is very important for perfect welding. Digital meter. The digital meter of this machine helps to adjust the precise output for optimal performance. Portability. Portability is a great feature, and this feature ensures that you can transport your generator machine anywhere you want for power. Usage. This best portable generator is used for different types of welding like MMA, stick, or TIG. Number 2. Hubbard Champion Elite Welder Generator. Hubbard Champion Elite Welder Generator is a great generator that ensures a great power source. It is easy to use and the setup is hassle-free. With a 100% duty cycle, this welding generator provides 11,000 watts by its 23 HP engine. For perfect welding, this machine produces a rated DC output of 40 to 225 amps. The Kohler engine-driven generator machine is easy to transport, and this 2-in-1 best portable welder generator has a variety of usage. This best welding generator comes with a 2-cylinder, 4-cycle Kohler engine. It produces 23 HP for ensuring a high and stable power source, and the engine displacement is 725 cc. With a high-powered engine, this generator delivers up to 11,000 watts of AC power, within which 9,500 is continuous watts that ensure the perfect output for your work. Number 3. Cattlemosa engine-driven welder generator. Cattlemosa has expertise in designing and manufacturing only welding-based tools and equipment. Thus, buying a welder generator from such a brand makes more sense. With 200 amp capacity and 60% duty cycle, the Cattlemosa engine-driven welder has reserved 3rd place on our list for the best welder generator combos present in the market. Despite the decent amp capacity, it only weighs 135 pounds, which are almost half compared to heavy-duty options present on our list. The welder is a DC arc welding machine that has special high-frequency voltage control that allows proper welding current through the system. Hence, it is capable of welding with all sorts of welding rods. The generator is powered by a high-performance permanent magnet alternator which ensures a permanently high performance, so that you should not worry about the performance degrading over time. The auxiliary current AC circuit has a micro brake inside the machine to ensure maximum protection while using the machine, whether you are running it over an electric supply or generator. The Cattlemosa engine-driven welder is also certified by US EPA and California regulations to ensure a high standard of the device. Positive side of this product, comparatively lightweight than other welder generator combos. Capable of welding with all types of rods. Multiple safety precautions are implemented. Negative side of this product, the warranty period is short. Number 4. Lifein Pro Series Weld Pro AXQ1 to 200 a portable generator. The combo gets its power from a gas-powered 15 HP OHV Lifein engine with 4500 starting in 4000 running watts. The unit can support up to 0.1875-inch welding electrodes. These features make this machine perfect for lightweight and household tasks. The welding amperage range on this machine is 50 to 200 amperes with a 50% duty cycle at 200 amperes. The outlets include one 120 VAC and one 12 VDC outlet for battery charging. The gas tank size is 6.5 gallons. You can start the machine with the help of an electric starter. The unit weighs 213 pounds and comes with big wheels and handles to support portability. If you want a reliable welder generator combo with heavy-duty wheels for easy movement while working with the machine, this one is not a bad option. Most homeowners and dealers need their welder to move according to their will. They want to keep it safe while not working and drag it out when they have some work. Positive side of this product: portable machine. Lightweight. Easy to use. Negative side of this product: no battery and welding leads included. Limited number of outlets. Number 5. Cattlemosa Engine Welder Generator. The Cattlemosa Engine Driven Stick Welder is an affordable choice over our previously mentioned Cattlemosa device. Thus, it is the most affordable option present on our list today. It comes with a 150 amp output capacity and a 60% duty cycle, which makes it applicable for general purpose applications. One of the strong suits of the Cattlemosa Engine Driven Stick Welder is that it is the most lightweight option on our list and weighs only 75 pounds. Hence, it can be easily carried around a workplace or construction site for application. It is a DC arc welding machine that allows high-frequency voltage and welding current control so that you can get desired output from the device. It is capable of working with all types of electrodes, even the cellulosic electrodes that require high power output. There are macro brakes provided in the internal circuit to avoid damage to the machine in case of a power surge. For the user's safety, there is an engine stop feature that occurs when the oil level is low in the machine. The UCPA and California regulation certification also ensure further safety and reliability of the machine. Positive side of this product: most affordable welder generator combo. Most lightweight device. Easier to use for long distance applications. Negative side of this product: power capacity is low. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.